Insurance is important. I work in insurance. I work in construction. I work on the large construction and real estate vertical. It's important to make sure that all of our clients know that they have rounded out coverage. Typically, for like the large construction accounts, it's a little bit different than what we do for the real estate accounts. For the large construction accounts, we are often dealing with like home builders or commercial builders, and they need like 1 million per occurrence, 2 million aggregate for general liability. They usually carry excess of 1 to 5 million, sometimes 5 to 10 million, depending on what they're working on. They also normally have auto for their vehicles that they use in their operations. They normally have inland marine to cover their equipment. Inland marine, that's for the equipment that moves around and travels. As part of the inland marine account, they might have an installation floater, which would cover the materials they're buying that's going to be installed. So if they were doing a commercial kitchen, for example, all of that equipment that's being installed would be covered by the inland marine installation floater portion of the inland marine. So it's important to make sure that those limits are accurate. In addition to those, there might be a pollution policy, commercial pollution policy. Pollution is an exposure that is excluded by the general liability policy. So if you had a pollution event, then it would be excluded by the general liability policy. And so normally our contractors cover 1 million of pollution, maybe 2 million pollution. Sometimes these limits for the pollution and the umbrella are based on contract requirements. So if a contract requires they have 1 million, then they'll have that. So we also do other coverages, and it's important to round out coverages with our insureds.